Thousands turn out to honour a convicted killer. They're here in support of a man called Mumtaz Qadri, executed last year for murdering a high-profile Pakistani politician who was trying to reform the country's blasphemy laws.
The authorities executed Mumtaz Qadri on the 29th of February last year, perhaps thinking the fact it was a leap year would make it harder for his supporters to commemorate his death. It doesn't seem to have worked. The figure of Mumtaz Qadri and the issue of blasphemy have become symbolic of the tensions at the heart of Pakistan's identity.
Dr. Ashraf Jalali is one of the leading figures in the anti-blasphemy movement. He sees himself as part of a battle for Pakistan's soul.
तमाम लादीन कुव्वतें वो मुल्क से बाहर हो या अंदर हो वो पाकिस्तान के इस्लामी तशख्खुस को मिटाना चाहते हैं और हम पाकिस्तान के इस्लामी तशख्खुस आइडेंटिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान वी डिफेंस दिस आइडेंटिटी इस्लामिक आइडेंटिटी यानी इस्लामी तशख्खुस का हम दिफा कर रहे हैं और इंशाअल्लाह पाकिस्तान के इस्लामी तशख्खुस के दिफा के लिए हम अपनी जानें दे देंगे मगर ये मुल्क जो है चूंकि मजहब की बुनियाद पे बना है इस्लाम की बुनियाद पे बना है हम लिबरलज को और सेकूलर्स को ये मुल्क हरगिज नहीं छीनने देंगे.
For the crowds gathered here, blasphemy isn't just a religious issue, it's a political one. This is a kind of a populist movement dedicated to opposing what they see as a more secular, liberal political establishment.
Mumtaz Qadri was a police bodyguard who shot the politician he was meant to be looking after. But his supporters don't see him as a traitor, rather as someone who died trying to preserve Pakistan's Islamic character, exemplified in their view by a law that holds blasphemy punishable by death. Next year, Pakistan will hold a general election, and Mumtaz Qadri's supporters are launching their own political party. Whilst unlikely to gather many seats, they'll make it difficult for anyone to challenge prevailing notions of blasphemy.